Travel na naman? Woo! Gusto nyo bang malaman kung saan kami pupunta? Kung ganun, edi wag nang maglipat ng channel at tara, samahan nyo kami dito yan sa My Adventures! Moment, nandito tayo sa Petron dito sa South Luzon Expressway and we're having a stopover right now. Naiinip na ba kayo? Ayan oh, merong clue. Tama kayo. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Villa Escudero. Kasama din natin ngayon ang ilan sa ating mga stars, ang Batch 75 ng Philippine Normal University. Ito ay isang plantation resort na dito sa boundary ng Chaong, Quezon at ng San Pablo City, Laguna. Tara, samahan ninyo ako dito sa My Adventures kung saan lilibutin natin ang Villa Escudero. Now we're going to the museum and we're here with the batch 75 of the Philippine Normal College, now Philippine Normal University. Sorry, pero bawal ang camera. Ang makikita niyo sa loob ay ang mga koleksyon ng mga mahalagang bagay noong unang panahon na nakolekta ng pamilya Escudero. Isa sa highlight ng Villa Escudero Tour ay ang pagsakay sa Carabao Carriage papunta sa kabilang parte ng Villa Escudero.
Ikaw ang mahal ko, tunay na tunay. Ang puso kong nakasamang sintang di mo alam. La 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 la
La la
la la la la la
la la
Iyan, itapat mo lang sa kanya.
la la
la la la la la la.
Kasi sa kanya lang nakakandang
ang pag-ibig
Kay hirap unawa, ngunit lang iyong pagsinta lamang mahal ko, ikaw ang mahal ko, tunay na tunay. Ang puso kong naman sa pagsipang di mo pala. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Di mo alam.
Yun ang di mo alam, sumakay, pupunta ng Israel. Ba't alam mo yan? Siyempre.
Kahit na gabing madilim sa lilis ng dayo, gabi ay isang himado, maligayang panahon sa lahat ng naroon. Bawat puso'y tumutugon sa nilalayo, unang kawayan ay naglangit-ngitan, lalo na ng hipang ng aming amihan. Ang katahimikan nitong kaparangan ay dinugaw na tunay nitong kasayahan. Kung ang hanap mo ay ligaya sa buhay, sa lilis ng nayo, doon manirahan. Agapit man may gintong kalooban, kayamanan at tangal ng kahiran. Kung ang hanap mo ay ligaya sa buhay, sa lilis ng nayo, doon manirahan. Agapit man may gintong kalooban.
Ang isa pa sa highlights ng Villa Escudero Tour ay ang pagkain ng buffet lunch sa paanan ng man-made waterfalls. At yan ang susunod nating pupuntahan.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're always well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery. You're from outer space. You're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through. And you know that's what all love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything.
Pagkatapos namang mag-swimming, ano kaya ang masarap gawin? Tara, tayo'y magpahinga at mag-swimming!
'Cause you're my everything. Yeah. So la 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 la.
Dito yung mga recreational area sa Villa Escudero. Dito yung swimming pool, dito yung rafting, dito din yung fishing. Pwede kayong mamansin din dito.
La la.
Tell everybody I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. With blue skies ahead, yes, I'm on my way. And there's nowhere else that I'd rather be. Tell everybody I'm on my way. And I'm loving every step I take. With the sun beating down, yes, I'm on my way, and I can't keep this smile off my face. 'Cause there's nothing like seeing each other again, no matter what the distance between. And the stories that we tell will make you smile. Oh, it really lifts my heart. So tell them all I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. And to sleep under the stars, you could ask for more. With the moon keeping watch over me. Not the snow, not the rain can change my mind. The sun will come out, wait and see. And the feeling of the wind in your face can lift your heart. Oh, there's nowhere I would rather be. 'Cause I'm on my way now, well and truly. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
This was our third time visiting Villa Escudero. The first one was way back in 2003. The second one was on 2012. Villa Escudero tends to bring us back with memories that can be remembered for a lifetime. Pero mga kaibigan, hindi pa tayo tapos dahil meron pa tayong cultural show. At mga kaibigan, every weekend lang ito ha.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop.
Boom, boom, boom.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop.
Boom, boom, boom.
Call my baby lollipop, tell you why. His kiss is sweeter than an apple pie. And when he does a shaky rock and dance, man, I haven't got a chance. I call him lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh.
Ngayon, kahit sa ilang sandali, nakita natin kung ano ang kultura ng Pilipinas. Kung ano ang ganda ng Villa Escudero. This has been your host, Raymar Gutierrez. See you on my next adventure.
If you